Need to log in to CapCut using your Apple ID or Google account? Doing this lets you sync your projects, access cloud storage, and use CapCut seamlessly across devices. In this video, I'll show you how to log in to CapCut using your Apple ID or Google account for Apple ID on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Then make sure to install the CapCut app from the App Store. Then open up the CapCut app. Now tap Agree and Continue to their Terms and Services and Privacy Policy if it asks. Now here you can choose which roles best describes you, like personal user, student, etc. If you want to skip this section, then tap Skip in the top right corner. Then follow all the on-screen instructions. Now tap on the Me tab or profile icon below. After that, tap on the Tap to Sign In option. Here you will get several convenient ways to create your account, like Gmail, Facebook, TikTok, email, Apple, etc. If you want to log in to CapCut using Google, then tap on Sign In with Google. Next, select your Google account, then tap Continue, and you are logged in. Now if you want to log in with Apple ID, then here I need to log out from this account first. To do that, tap on the settings icon from the top. Next, scroll all the way down. After that, tap on Sign Out. Now again, tap to Sign In option. This time I have to tap on Sign In with Apple. Now follow the on-screen instructions. So easy, right? And there you have it. This is how you can log in to CapCut using your Apple ID or Google account or Apple ID on your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.